Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought a new updates regarding PhD admission. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. So there is a update regarding PhD admission in NIT Tiruchirappalli. They have vacancies for different departments like Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, then Department of Architecture, Management Studies, Computer Applications, Department of Science, and means these all are having vacancies for PhD. Regarding eligibility, if you have masters in the corresponding department like Faculty of Engineering, if you have bachelor and master degree in engineering and technology in appropriate branch of study, then you can apply, and you must have GATE score obtained in the last 5 years. You also have the means you have your masters with 60% in both UG and PG. Likewise, every engineering they have minimum this criteria like 60%. For full time, they have there must be a GATE score obtained in the last 5 years. But for part time, there is no requirement of GATE. It is written. For part time, there is no requirement of GATE. फिर after that you can see the seat matrix which have vacancies. First I will tell you what are the categories available here. First one for PhD full time. For PhD full time, there is a stipendary category. Means you have to you have to give something your time for the institute as a working, that is called HTRA. HTRA means half time research assistantship. Means you have to your guide or your department will assign some work, and that work you have to do, and after that you can carry out your work like lab assignments that will be given. So first one is full PhD full time stipendary category. These full time have these vacancy like architecture have 4, chemical had 3, chemistry has 1, civil engineering 5, computer application no vacancy, CSE 5 vacancy, electrical and electronics 3 vacancy, electronics communication 5, energy environment no vacancy, humanities and social science 2 vacancy, instrumentation and control 3 vacancy, management study 4 vacancy, mathematics 3, mechanical engineering 2, metallurgy material 3 vacancy, physics 3 vacancy, production no vacancy. Total 46 vacancy is there. In this first category is PhD full time stipendary category, and this is all what seats I have discussed here, that is for PhD full time stipendary category. And second one is DRDO care MHRD scheme. Candidate applying in the department of, it is for selected departments. Means if you are applying for computer science and engineering, for CA means which one, CA computer application, or triple EC and IC. On completion of coursework at NIT Tiruchirappalli have provision to pursue their research work with Institute Fellowship in DRDO Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, Bangalore, in the thrust areas of research listed below. These are the research area given. If you are after completing your coursework you want to work, then you can go to DRDO Center Bangalore and you can carry out your work. Second one is for PhD. Second category is PhD internal category. There are 3 category of PhD under full time. PhD full time, for this is for institute stipendary category. 1.2 PhD internal category. In this internal category, approved limited number of seats are allotted under PhD internal category approved by competent authority. Faculty, staff member of institute and a candidate working under a sponsored project in NIT Trichy with qualified GATE score in the last 5 years, or UGC, CSIR, NVHM, NET, CAT, ATMA, JAT, MAT score. If you have, then you can apply for this. Means either you are working there in NIT Trichy or you are working in any project, then also you are considered as PhD full time. But there must be any of these scores you have, and this is not any faculty or a staff member of institute seeking admission to Part-time PhD programs should submit the hard copy of completed online application through proper channel. However, the selection procedure shall remain as same as cited above. And third one, for PhD full-time non-stipendary category, means there is no stipend provided by the institute, but you must have these scores, a score like GATE score or NET score or CAT, JAT, etc. And second one, PhD program part-time also there have two type of, one is part-time external and second one on campus category. For part-time external means you will undergo your PhD course from the NIT Trichy, but you will work in those organizations where you are working, means it is for working employee. There is no GATE score mandatory here. In this category, if you have working in any reputed industry or organization having R&D facilities or government R&D department or national research laboratory or unit of government or quasi-government or public sector, then you can apply under this category. Second one, part-time on campus. A regular or full-time teacher or employee working in government, regular full-time teachers, employees working in government aided or private engineering or technical institution or science and arts college, university, industry, public with qualified GATE score. If you are applying for part-time on campus, then you must have these scores like GATE score, UGC, CSIR, NVHM, NET, CAT, ATMA score will be considered for admission under this category. At the time of admission, the candidate must submit a NOC and also a relieving certificate from the parent organization to relieve him to complete his or her residential requirement. The candidate should have at least 3 years of experience. The college or organization must have 5 years of its existence for patronizing candidates to part-time PhD program. The department concerned would decide the candidature of selected candidate. Means you have to submit one NOC to undergo your coursework and rest PhD after completing your coursework. When the college will call you, then you have to go, and institute also have no objection for that. Selection procedure, first you have to apply there, then they will scrutinize your application. After that there will be a technical and personal interview. That's the selection process. Duration, it's written that the minimum duration of part-time PhD program shall be 3 years for minimum for both 3 years for both category, external and on campus. This implies the candidate can submit the synopsis duly satisfied other academic requirement only after a minimum period of study of 36 months from the date of registration. The maximum period to complete the part-time PhD program is 7 years. For minimum full-time it's 5 years, and for part-time it's 7 years. Place of research work, the candidate admitted under external category will normally carry out part or all of his or her research work in their respective industry or organization or national laboratory employing the scholar. For these scholars, there will be 2 research supervisor, one internal supervisor from NIT Trichy and one external research supervisor or co-supervisor from his or her place of work. Coursework, it's all for every institute, means minimum they have credits you must have to complete there. Selection process, there will be interview. Detailed PhD regulation are available by clicking on this link. You can read all the regulation. Application fee 500 for OC, OBC, NCL and 200 for SC, ST and physically disabled candidate. By this link you can do payment. The last date is 20 February. After that, PhD interview tentative date, it will be intimated through NIT Trichy website. Last date is written 20 February. And after that, these all are the certificates. I will upload the link in description from where you can see all these detail. These are the research areas. Maybe in the form you will have to select the research areas what you want to on which area you are going to pursue your research work. by selecting 2 or 3, maybe you have to put down there in the application form. These are the research areas. So thank you. If you have liked the videos, please share it with others also who have need. Thank you, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet.